So this week we're going to be looking at Autosleepers. We're going to have a look at two Autosleepers, an old one and a new one, and let's have a look and see how they've changed over the years, or perhaps how they haven't changed. So let's have a look at mine first. The Autosleeper Broadway. So the Autosleepers, normally they're based on the monocoque shell. That's what Autosleeper are well known for, and they do a lot of two-berth motorhomes. Now the motorhome I picked is the Autosleeper Broadway. It's a two-berth with a U-shaped lounge, and it's a 2009. So here we have it. Here's the Autosleeper Broadway. It's 6.2 metres long, and like I said before, it's a U-shaped lounge and it's a two-berth. So let's go and have a look inside. So, Autosleeper Broadway, what we've got storage all the way around, and then I'll show you first the bathroom. So as you can see, it's got a separate shower compartment, and then what we can do then, we turn this around then to make the wash area, and also your cassette toilet. And then what we do have is the kitchen area. So what we do, we have our sink with tap, and then we do have 3 burner hobs with a hot plate, and then we also have 3-way fridge, grill and oven, and then opposite that we have the fire and the blown air. So as you can see at the back, we have the U-shaped lounge, and then they pull out to make up the double bed. And what you're getting in the Autosleeper is pretty much everything you need. You're getting the shower, you're getting the toilets, you're getting the hobs, the grill, and you're getting a good quality build. But let's go and have a look now how a new Autosleeper is and see if it's changed at all.
Two-berth motorhomes. What do you think when you get two-berth motorhomes? You think Autosleeper, because that is a majority of what they do. So we have now got the Autosleeper Borton, which is a bit like a Nuevo sort of thing. It's the same sort of layout. It's got the bench seats at the front, but built on this Mercedes chassis, which has been so bloody popular, it's unreal. Now, the Borton on the water, as we all know, all Autosleepers are named after something down that neck of the woods. So we've got the Burford, named after the Burford, the Gloucester, and so on. That's where Autosleeper get the names. So what we have is this 6.5 metre long Borton. As you can see, it is a 2020 model, and it's built on the Mercedes cab, and this one comes with the premium pack. As we can see, nice little extras around, including that awning and so on. Other things we get is this locker for under the bench seats. We get another locker just below. Now, something I really like about this, it's something so simple, but I wish all the manufacturers do this. You've got a couple of flaps here. One has got a picture of a barbecue, one has got a picture of an electric lead. So there's no guessing, there's no lifting up 5 flaps to work out which one's this. This one's your barbecue point, that one's your electric hookup lead. Nice and easy. What? Other manufacturers, listen, you need to do that. Little picture, it's all you need. Emoji, anything. And then moving back, we've got the domestic vents, and then this nice big habitation door with electric step just below. So this two-berth motorhome, it is a touch under 6.5 metres, and because it's a 3.5 tonne chassis, it means anybody can drive it. You're just not restricted to anything, and it's got a payload of around or just over 500 kilograms. So, like I said, it is the classic end kitchen Nuevo sort of layout, but we do have nice long single beds. So on your left, we've got one nice long bench seat with storage underneath. These do pull together in the middle, and then you've got another one opposite, so it can either be used as 2 long singles or one nice double bed. We've got nice cupboards all the way through. We've got these lovely touch lights quite literally, light into the side. What I do like about Autosleeper is it does stay classic to what it is. You know, there's a lot of things that I'm looking around in this motorhome and I think, yeah, that's pretty much how they were 15 years ago. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, I'll leave that up to you. We do have a little bit more. We've got this control panel above with Truma iNet, and then in the kitchen itself, we do have what is the sink with hot and cold water, lots of storage above and below, and then as a spin round and dance nicely, we do have the 3-hob burner and hot plate and oven grill just below this area. And as I say, you've got nice cooker hood and nice finish on the cupboards above. So as we head into the bathroom, what we have got, starting with the left-hand side, is the cassette toilet, which moves into storage above, across to the mirror that slides out the way for a bit more storage, and then we've got the sink and shower. Now this unit does move around, so it separates the toilet from the rest of the motorhome. Next, we move into the cab. Now this is where the money is spent. You have got options on the Peugeot or the Mercedes, and also the Fiat as of this year for an automatic gearbox. Now, part of the premium pack is all of this. You've got an automatic gearbox, you've got all the steering wheel controls, the electric windows, the lovely vents that you see on this new Mercedes chassis, the sat nav, cruise control, the whole lot. It just looks absolutely beautiful. It is now the best looking cab out there for me, and then you've just got that nice reversing camera sitting just above. So with this motorhome, you've got two bits of quality. You've got one, the Autosleeper make, which is a nice sturdy make, everything put together well, and then you've got this nice Mercedes badge. These have sold like hotcakes this year. They've sold so many, so much so that they've about ran out, and you can't get one from now until the spring. It's a lot of money, I've got to admit, for just under £85,000 for something like this, but if you want the size and everything like that with the Mercedes cab, it will probably be a very good option for you.